Hello everybody, Crafting Journey here, that Journey Chick on Instagram. Welcome. Today I am doing an unboxing from Art Dot. Yes, they contacted me and said, we have some new diamond paintings over on Amazon we'd like for you to review, tell us what you think, and then they'll reimburse me for them. So I'm like, hey, why not? Then you know what I'm gonna do? Give them away. We're gonna have a little giveaway here. Yay. But first, first I gotta have some coffee. Yeah. And my little kitty cat cup. All right. So of course, these are available on Amazon. I will leave a link down in the description if you would like to purchase them. Let me just tell you what they cost, though. Let's see. Let's go to Amazon. I ordered these on January 4th. They arrived on January 9th. The cost was $15.99, which is not a bad deal, I think. Let's see what we got. I need a box cutter. I do. So the Art Dot products come in this beautiful packaging. Look at that. It's branded. It says, "Life is more fun when you paint by diamond as an artist." Nice. Now on the back, you have the instructions to diamond painting. Now this is a Chinese company. So let's see. Let's open it. Now I have never owned an Art Dot, but I've had an opportunity to work on an Art Dot painting at one of our retreats. And I was kind of impressed. Nice drills, nice canvas. I didn't have anything bad to say about it. Now, if you are a beginner diamond painting, I recommend this company. This is a great set to get you started with diamond painting. Here are the canvases. That was my mouse. Here are the drills. And here is the toolkit. So everything you need is here. If you are a beginner, this is where you want to start. You have a toolkit, you have your diamonds, you have 4 canvases to choose from to start out with. Let's take a look at see what you get in the toolkit. Everything you need is right here. And these are the perfect size diamond paintings. So you get 3 diamond painting pins. One has a 3-placer, one has a 5-placer, and one has a 7-placer on it. You can get a couple friends and they can paint along with you. You get a little small green boat. You get lots of wax, 10 pieces of wax, and then you get a larger tray. And it has a little place where you can rest your pin on the tray, like that. Isn't that adorable? We're going to put all that back. So you get 4 diamond paintings. These are poured glue. Oh my word. Okay, so the first one is a little boat. Someone's in the boat. There's some light out in the, like these bubbles of light out in the sea. Isn't that gorgeous? So the size on these, I'm going to go with 40 by 30. That was going to be my guess. Now these are smaller paintings, so there's not a lot of detail, but great for beginners. Oh, look at this. All right, so this one has, this is like a little landscape, and look at the moon on that one and the stars. Kind of like you're looking through a telescope. Very, very pretty. Okay, these are beautiful, aren't they? Then you have this one. There's the moon and like a little ballerina on the moon. So cute. And this one, a tree, and there's a person there. Is that a person? I believe, no, I don't know. It's hard to tell. Okay. Maybe from a distance, it kind of looks like there's a person standing there if you look at it from far away. So I love how this tree looks like it's, you know, in this tunnel kind of. So on the side, you have your schematic. On this one, there are 25 colors, about the same on each one. These are very quick to work up, not a lot of confetti, great for beginners, poured glue. It's just a regular cloth canvas. Yeah, it's sticky. Not as sticky as I would like, but it's sticky. It's gonna work for you. So I'm loving the ballerina. Yeah, that's my favorite. I don't know, maybe the moon is my favorite. Or the boat. So someone is going to win all 4 of these, the whole kit. So each one of these paintings has drills. Now, how do you know which one goes with which painting? Because it doesn't tell you. So what you have to do is you have to look at the top of the painting. It'll have an item number. This one says 4MN3. So you look at that, and then you go to the drills, and you find 4MN3, and that's this one's right here. So on each bag of drills, it'll have the number that matches the number on the schematic. It'll have the kit number, which is 4NM3, and it also has the DMC number. Awesome. Yep. So I'm not going to open each package because I do want to give this away, but these are all round paintings. Now I'm looking at the drills. They have nice flat backs. Some of them have little divots, but not anything that's going to hurt your painting. Beautiful colors. I think someone's going to really enjoy this. I really, really do. You could have a little party, get 3 of your friends over, give each one a painting, and just have a cup of coffee, some chips and dip, and, you know, give each person a pen. You got plenty of wax, and you just have like a little beginner diamond painting thing. Invite over some friends that have never diamond painted before. Oh my God, what a great idea. Invite 2 of your friends that have never diamond painted before and say, hey, which one do you want to do? And you give them each some diamonds, and you give them a tray and a pen and wax, and you just guys have a great time. Yeah, okay. I'm loving that idea. So guys, if you would like to win this kit with all 4 paintings, please leave a comment down below and let me know, what was your first diamond painting? What did you start out with? That's what I would like for you to tell me down in the comments. And then next Wednesday, not this Wednesday, but the following Wednesday, I will do a random comment picker and I will give away this kit. I am really, like I've said, I have done art dot before. The symbols are very, very clear. There's no confusion. I'm trying to see There are no enhancements to these paintings, no Aurora Borealis, special drills, nothing like that. They're just regular, small, cute little diamond paintings. But like I said, very, poured glue, clear symbols, nice round diamonds, a great startup kit or a great kit to have your friends over and play around and get them hooked on diamond painting. So just tell me down in the comments, are you a beginner? Have you ever done diamond painting before? Is this going to be your first kit? Let me know. If you started with, my first kit was a Diamond Dots rose that I bought at Hobby Lobby. So let me know what your first kit was, and I will see you next Wednesday for the giveaway. Take care, everybody. Love you. Bye.